Welcome everyone. Today we're showcasing the top outdoor gear picks from this year's REI Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. From backpacks and sleeping bags to jackets and essential camping accessories, these offers highlight practical, high-quality gear built for comfort and performance. We've searched through the best options available to bring you items that deliver durability, functionality, and convenience for all your outdoor adventures. Kicking things off, the REI Co-op Flash 22 pack stands out as a highly practical day pack. Its lightweight construction does not compromise comfort, allowing you to carry up to 15 pounds without straining your shoulders. Made from durable 70-denier recycled ripstop nylon, the pack withstands tough outdoor conditions while remaining flexible enough for daily use. The side stash pockets accommodate water bottles or jackets, making this pack ideal for short hikes, city exploration, or casual outdoor activities. Next up is the ultralight REI Co-op Flash 18 pack, perfect for minimalist adventurers. While it lacks the hip belt and side stash pockets of the Flash 22, it remains a functional companion for travel or day trips. Its stripped-down design is ideal for fitting inside carry-ons and carrying up to 8 pounds of gear comfortably. Despite its compact size, the 18 is surprisingly resilient, making it a reliable choice for lightweight adventures. Moving on, the REI Co-op Trail 25 pack offers a sturdier alternative for day hikers. With a padded back and more substantial frame than the Flash series, it comfortably carries up to 10 pounds of gear. The U-shaped access panel and multiple pockets allow quick organization of essentials, while side pockets and daisy chains provide practical storage for bottles and tools. Its reinforced design is ideal for those seeking both comfort and durability on extended treks. For travelers, the 6 Moon Design's all-day carry backpack bridges the gap between city travel and long-distance walking. Its suitcase-style shape maximizes carry-on space, while adjustable straps provide comfort during city strolls or light hikes. The backpack's compartments and water bottle holders offer exceptional organization for extended trips, making it a versatile option for both travel and adventure. Let's move on to the GoRuck GR2 40L Cordura, a heavy-duty backpack suitable for serious travelers. Its 40-liter capacity is ideal for extended trips, providing ample space for clothing, tech, and essentials. Built from tough Cordura fabric, it withstands rugged use while its organizational pockets keep gear accessible. Its carry-on compatibility makes it perfect for air travel, and its versatility supports everyday commutes or remote excursions. Next is the GoRuck GR1 21L Waterproof X-Pack, a compact and highly versatile pack. Its durable X-Pack material resists water and wear, making it ideal for daily use or weekend getaways. Despite its smaller size, the pack offers excellent storage through cleverly designed pockets, providing practicality without compromising portability. For those who combine fitness and travel, the GoRuck Rucker 4.0 doubles as both a backpack and a weighted training bag. It features reinforced handles and a ruck plate pocket, allowing users to carry additional weight safely. Its durable construction and versatile design make it an excellent choice for rucking, workouts, and everyday use. Kicking off the camping section, we shift into tents, chairs, and other essential outdoor equipment. The 6 Moon Design's Lunar Solo Tent is an ultralight single-wall option for solo campers. Weighing just 740 grams and requiring only one trekking pole, it is highly efficient for minimalist hikers. Its ventilation and flexible design allow comfortable sleeping arrangements even in varying weather conditions, balancing lightweight convenience with practical shelter. Next, the Sea to Summit Ultra Silk Compression Sack offers compact storage for sleeping bags and clothing. It significantly reduces bulk, making it easier to carry larger items in limited pack space. The durable material protects gear from moisture while maintaining lightweight portability for backpackers. Moving on, the REI Co-op Flex Light Air Chair delivers comfort without excessive weight. Its ergonomic design supports long periods of sitting, whether around a campfire or at a campsite. Lightweight and portable, this chair offers a stable yet compact seating solution for outdoor gatherings. As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description and in the pinned comment down below.
For those prioritizing comfort, the Nemo Moonlight Elite Reclining Chair is a standout option. Weighing only 18 ounces, it packs small while providing a stable, supportive seat for extended periods. Its design ensures the chair remains upright even on softer ground, combining portability with usability for both solo and group camping. Next up, the Petzl Tika Core Headlamp offers reliable lighting for backcountry adventures. Its 3 brightness settings, including a red light mode, preserve night vision while providing adequate illumination for cooking, hiking, or emergency situations. Lightweight and durable, it serves as a practical companion for both campers and hikers. Moving into sleeping gear, the Xbed Megamat sleeping pad ensures comfortable rest for both car camping and backcountry use. Its thick padding provides excellent cushioning, while an R value of 8.1 offers exceptional insulation in cooler conditions. Lightweight and compact when packed, it balances comfort and portability exceptionally well. Pairing with the pad, the X-Bed Mega Pump simplifies inflation and ensures the sleeping pad reaches optimal firmness quickly. Compact and durable, it is an essential accessory for anyone using inflatable pads. Next, the Firebox Nano Stove G2 Titanium emerges as a versatile backpacking stove. Its lightweight titanium construction keeps weight minimal while providing durability for extended trips. Compatible with both alcohol burners and wood, it offers flexible cooking options and is a practical tool for serious campers. Transitioning into outdoor apparel, the REI Co-op Rainier Rain Jacket provides reliable waterproof protection for men and women. With its PFAS-free durable water-repellent coating, tape seams, and adjustable hood, it offers excellent defense against wet weather. Lightweight yet durable, it brings comfort and functionality to rainy outdoor activities. Next, the REI Co-op Sahara Shade Hoodie offers UPF 50+ sun protection with a flexible polyester spandex blend. Thumbholes and an adjustable hood enhance usability, while its breathable build makes it ideal for hiking, climbing, and sunny outdoor adventures. Moving on, the Smartwool Classic Thermal Merino Base Layer Top delivers heavyweight warmth for cold weather activities. Made from 250 GSM merino wool, it balances breathability, heat retention, and comfort. Designed for layering, it works well for winter sports, cold hiking, or relaxing at camp. Next up, the Icebreaker 200 Oasis Base Layer provides midweight insulation suitable for varied outdoor conditions. Its 200 GSM merino wool regulates temperature effectively, dries quickly, and offers soft comfort for high-output activities or cool weather exposure. For those seeking affordability, the REI Co-op Midweight Base Layer Top balances performance and value. Its comfortable fit allows easy layering, and the inclusion of thumb loops enhances practicality. Made from recycled polyester and spandex, it blends stretch with durability. Moving on, the Turtle Fur Merino Pipe Dream Neck Gaiter offers adaptable warmth and UV protection. Lightweight yet insulating, it keeps the neck comfortable in winter while shielding from sun in summer, making it a versatile accessory for any season. Next, the Fjallraven ViddaPro Ventilated Trousers offer exceptional durability and functionality. Made from recycled polyester and organic cotton, they feature reinforced knees, ventilation zippers, and multiple pockets. Flexible and rugged, they support long hikes and backcountry exploration with ease. Shifting into sleeping bags and quilt options, the REI Co-op Magma 15 sleeping bag delivers excellent warmth with its 850 fill power goose down and 15 denier ripstop shell. Variable baffle spacing reduces cold spots, while a fitted hood and interior pockets offer added convenience for backcountry nights. Next, the Nemo Forte 20 provides a roomy synthetic fill sleeping bag ideal for summer trips or mild conditions. Its hybrid shape balances warmth and mobility, allowing sleepers to move comfortably while staying insulated. Moving forward, the REI Co-op Magma 30 Down Trail Quilt offers lightweight warmth for backpackers seeking versatility. Its 850 fill power water-resistant down provides insulation without bulk, while the footbox and adjustable drawstring accommodate different sleeping styles and temperatures. Next, the REI Co-op Siesta Hooded 20 sleeping bag is perfect for car camping or casual outdoor use. Its roomy rectangular design and integrated hood offer comfort, while its lightweight build keeps it portable for easy weekend adventures. Lastly, the Rumpel Original Puffy Blanket blends warmth, softness, and durability. Treated with a DWR finish, it resists moisture while staying comfortable for both indoor lounging and outdoor sessions around the fire. Shifting into puffer jackets and winter gear, the REI Co-op Magma 850 Down Hoodie offers premium insulation with its 850 fill power goose down and lightweight ripstop shell. A draft collar, adjustable hood, and zippered pockets enhance usability, making it ideal for cold weather activities. Next, the REI Co-op 650 Down Jacket provides reliable 3 seasons warmth. Its stitch-through baffles deliver moderate insulation, while the packable design keeps it convenient for travel or outdoor excursions. Moving on, the REI Co-op 650 Down Vest offers flexible layered warmth while keeping arms free for activity. Paired with base layers or hoodies, it provides insulation suited for shifting cold weather conditions.
Lastly, the Fjallraven Expedition Pack Down Hoodie combines 700 fill power down with synthetic shoulder insulation. Its compact, packable design and adjustable hood offer practicality and warmth in challenging weather conditions. Seriously, thank you for watching. Don't miss out. Snag those epic Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals now before they completely vanish. Find the quick links waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest tech and holiday bargains. See you next time. Happy shopping!